Welcome back, folks. I've been getting a lot of requests from these guys, and, well, I thought it would seem like a good time to draw them, both. Okay, in this video, we're going to draw Scratch and Grounder from Sonic the Hedgehog. And if you guys are familiar with Scratch and Grounder, for the information, Scratch and Grounder were Robotniks' original characters and original henchmen. And, well, Robotnik created them to be the ultimate Sonic the Hedgehog catching team. And, well, possibly not the greatest idea. A chicken and a drill tank as Sonic's enemies. Well, things were a bit wacky back then. And, well, they often fall for Sonic's pranks and jokes, so he doesn't get captured. So, Scratch has this funny, voice that goes like, da-da-da! Well, at least that's what he sounds like. You know what I bet? I'll bet they'll be in the Sonic the Hedgehog sequel. That'd be hilarious. Let's just hope they look different and more menacing like in the movie. Hold on, let me just draw the teeth. There's his finger. Okay, so I don't know why Scratch and Grounder have to do all the dirty work while Robotnik sits impatiently in his office. That's just really messed up. Basically, Robotnik should do all the work. After all, he is the robot inventor. There's his legs. Now we just draw the tail feathers here. If you ask me, these guys are kind of like Team Rocket, only more, except they're not human. I remember the first episode when they first met Sonic. Anyways, over time, Scratch and Grounder, well, anyways, that's how you draw a Scratch. Now let's draw a Grounder. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
The blasted thing broke down. Never mind. Okay, so there's the antennae. There's his teeth. There we go. There's Grounder's drill. As we all know, Grounder is a drill bot. Well, even though he doesn't often dig, he's not much of a digger, even though it's its job to do. Just draw that mark in his chest. There we go. Just draw. Now we just draw the tank treads. And lastly, we draw the other tank tread here. And done. That's how you draw a scratching grounder. Now they're ready to go beat up Sonic or something. Well, there's no way in a million years they could do that. They don't even have the guts. Anyways, over time, Scratching Grounder have evolved, and they were changed into Deco and Boco and Sonic X, and in Sonic Boom, they became Orbot and Cubot. But at least, I think that's what they are now. And, I hope to see them in person. Well, I hope so. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And I'll show you guys what awesome character I'll show you guys next. See you soon!